a special treat for America's birthday. Even if you are not a patriot, you can still enjoy this delicious treat. International kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious summer trifle that is absolutely perfect to take to a 4th of July block party or simply share with your loved ones during the summertime. For making this delicious dessert, first you need to have a simple white cake. Today I'm going to make the cake from scratch, but if you are busy or you don't want to make it from fresh ingredients, you can use the cake mix like this. Preheat the oven to 330 degrees. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder to 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. Mix them well and set the dry mix aside. Crack 5 room temperature eggs. Mix on medium for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's fluffy. Add 1.5 cups of sugar to the egg mix. Mix it for another 3 to 4 minutes or until it's light and fluffy. Add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Mix it for another 30 seconds. Sieve 1/3 of the dry mix into the wet mixture. This recipe uses half a cup of milk. Add 1/3 of the milk to the egg mixture and fold it gradually with a spatula. Repeat the same step 2 times to finish combining the dry mix and milk with the wet mixture. Add a splash of vanilla extract. Mix it well. I've already greased my pans to prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. Gradually pour the mix into the cake pans. Tap the pans to release the bubbles. Pop the cakes into the oven to cook for about 40 minutes or until they are golden brown. You know the cakes are ready when you insert the toothpick and it comes out clean. Let the cakes cool for about 15 minutes before taking them out of the pans. For the filling, I'm making my homemade whipped cream, but you can use store-bought as well. I pour 2 cups of heavy cream and I start mixing for about 1 minute. Now, I'm adding 1 cup of powdered sugar gradually until it's foamy and doesn't fall out of the bowl. It's ready. Put it aside. I've already cleaned and washed 1 pound of blueberries and 2 pounds of strawberries and then dry them out. You want to get rid of as much moisture as possible because you don't want to end up with a soggy cake. I'm removing the leaves from the strawberries and cutting them lengthwise. It depends on how big your serving dish is, but if you like, you can cut your cake in little cubes or just use them as a whole cake as they are. I have to cut around the edges of my cake to make it fit into my dish. So I'm using those extra pieces to put in the bottom of the dish. Now I'm adding whipped cream on top and spreading it evenly. For the strawberries, I'm facing them outside the bowl for a nice visual effect. I also put some strawberries in the middle. Add another layer of cake. Add another layer of whipped cream. I carefully added some blueberries around the outside to make it pretty. Add another layer of cake. More whipped cream. finally, for decoration on top, I'm going to create a design similar to the US flag using blueberries and strawberries. Our beautiful trifle is ready. I'm sure everyone in your family will like it. You can decorate it as you prefer for special occasions or even use different fruits according to the season. I hope you will enjoy it. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your family and friends about my channel. Bon appetit!